On January the 4th, 1915, at the age of 22, Robert Freer Delmege of Richtown, Ontario, joined the 49th Battalion while working in Alberta as a druggist. On August the 5th, 1916, Robert was wounded in Zillebeek, Belgium, while cleaning his Ross rifle in a reserve dugout. His weapon was accidentally discharged, and the bullet entered his left foot. During the same time period, a new problem was occurring: the prevalence of self-inflicted wounds. After 5 surgeries, Robert was then court-martialed. His comrades were certain of his innocence, and after their investigating and demonstrations, Robert was adjudged a battle accident casualty and was released from arrest without prejudice. While recovering in hospital, Robert married his sweetheart, Elsie Adams, on March the 1st, 1917. And on March the 12th, Robert was sent home to Canada. Robert, Elsie, and their 2 daughters, Nora and Dorothy, lived in Richtown, and Robert became a furniture maker for the next 35 years and worked for the Department of Veterans Affairs of Ottawa to help returning soldiers find housing and employment. In his later years, Robert had heart troubles. Robert was recovering from a previous heart attack, and the doctors showed Elsie Robert's chest x-ray, which revealed that he had an open heart, a condition where the heart grows out between the ribs. The doctor pondered how he ever passed the military physical to enter service. Robert died at his home in Richtown from a heart attack on November the 7th, 1961, at the age of 69. My name is Ashley Ross, and Robert is my great-great-grandfather.